Top 10 Health Benefits of Lavender Tea. Have you ever wondered about the secret behind the enchanting aroma of lavender? Or how a simple cup of lavender tea can significantly enhance your health? Lavender tea is an herbal infusion made from the dried buds of a lavender plant, also known as Lavandula angustifolia. This fragrant and versatile plant is native to the Mediterranean region and has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its medicinal properties. Lavender has a long history of being used in various forms, including essential oils, soaps, and perfumes. But perhaps one of its most popular forms is as a tea, known for its soothing aroma and potential health benefits. This aromatic brew, known for its calming effects and charming scent, has more to it than meets the eye. Packed with a host of nutrients and antioxidants, lavender tea offers a multitude of health advantages, from boosting your immune system to promoting skin health. In this video, we'll delve into the surprising and impressive benefits of this herbal tea, and why you might want to consider making it a staple in your daily routine. So grab a cup and join us on this journey of discovery and wellness. Number 1. Reduces anxiety and stress. Lavender tea is known for its calming properties and has been used for centuries to soothe anxiety and stress. The aroma of lavender has a relaxing effect on the mind, making it a popular choice for aromatherapy. But did you know that sipping on lavender tea can also have similar effects? The compounds in lavender have been found to reduce levels of stress hormones in the body, promoting a sense of calmness and relaxation. So instead of reaching for that pill bottle, try sipping on a cup of lavender tea to naturally ease your stress levels. Number 2. Promotes better sleep. Lavender tea contains compounds that have a calming effect on the body, making it a perfect bedtime drink. Studies have shown that drinking lavender tea before bed can improve sleep quality and duration, helping you wake up feeling more refreshed and energized. It also has been found to be effective in treating insomnia and promoting relaxation for those with anxiety or stress-related sleep disturbances. Number 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. The anti-inflammatory properties of lavender tea are due to its high concentration of antioxidants, specifically polyphenols and flavonoids. These compounds help reduce inflammation in the body by fighting against free radicals and reducing oxidative stress. As a result, consuming lavender tea can aid in relieving symptoms of conditions like arthritis, eczema, and other inflammatory diseases. Number 4. Digestive health. Lavender tea has been used traditionally to soothe digestive issues such as indigestion, bloating, and stomach cramps. Its anti-inflammatory properties can also aid in reducing inflammation in the gut, which can improve overall digestive health. Additionally, lavender tea has been found to have carminative effects, meaning it helps prevent gas and bloating by promoting the release of gas from the digestive system. Number 5. Supports brain health. Lavender tea contains compounds that have been found to improve cognitive function and memory. One of these compounds is linalool, which has been shown to have a neuroprotective effect on the brain. Regular consumption of lavender tea may help protect against age-related cognitive decline and support overall brain health. So a cup of lavender tea not only soothes the mind, but also supports its health. Number 6. Boosts immunity. Lavender tea contains powerful antioxidants and antimicrobial compounds that can boost the immune system. These compounds fight against free radicals and harmful bacteria, helping to prevent infections and illnesses. Additionally, lavender tea has been found to have anti-inflammatory effects, which can also aid in supporting a healthy immune response. Drinking lavender tea regularly can give your body a natural defense against illnesses and promote overall wellness. Number 7. Relieves headaches. Lavender tea has been used as a natural remedy for headaches and migraines. The soothing properties of lavender can help relax tension in the body, reducing the severity and frequency of headaches. Additionally, the scent of lavender has also been found to have a calming effect on the brain, which can provide relief from stress-induced headaches. So, next time you feel a headache coming on, try sipping on a cup of lavender tea instead of reaching for painkillers. Number 8. Aids in weight management. If you're looking to shed some pounds, lavender tea may be a helpful addition to your weight loss journey. This herbal tea has been found to increase satiety and reduce appetite, making it easier to stick to a healthy diet. It also has mild diuretic properties, which can help flush out excess water weight. Additionally, the stress-reducing effects of lavender tea may also help prevent overeating due to emotional eating. However, it's important to note that drinking lavender tea alone will not lead to weight loss. It should be incorporated into a healthy and balanced lifestyle. Number 9. Skin and hair health. Lavender tea's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties also have benefits for skin and hair health. The antioxidants help protect against free radicals that can cause signs of aging, while the anti-inflammatory effects may aid in reducing redness, irritation, and acne. Additionally, using lavender tea as a final rinse after washing your hair can help promote shine and healthy hair growth. You can even create a DIY facial toner by mixing lavender tea with aloe vera gel for a refreshing and soothing skin treatment. Number 10. Respiratory support. For those struggling with respiratory issues, drinking lavender tea may provide some relief. The anti-inflammatory properties of this herbal tea can help reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract, making it easier to breathe. It can also help soothe coughs and congestion, providing relief from cold and flu symptoms. Additionally, the calming effects of lavender may aid in promoting relaxation for better sleep, which is crucial for recovering from respiratory illnesses. Incorporate a cup of warm lavender tea into your daily routine during times of illness or to support overall respiratory health. So not only does lavender tea taste delicious, but it also has numerous health benefits for the mind and body. Consider adding this herbal beverage to your daily routine for a boost in overall wellness. How to make lavender tea. Lavender tea is a herbal infusion made from the dried flowers and leaves of the lavender plant. To make lavender tea, simply steep 2 to 3 teaspoons of dried lavender in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. You can also add other herbs or spices like chamomile, lemon balm, or cinnamon to enhance the flavor and health benefits. For a stronger brew, let the tea steep for longer or add more lavender. To sweeten, you can use honey or a natural sweetener like stevia. Enjoy your cup of lavender tea hot or chilled for a refreshing and soothing beverage. So simple yet so beneficial. Well, there you have it, 10 incredible health benefits of lavender tea. So next time you need a moment of relaxation or a boost in overall health, consider brewing yourself a cup of lavender tea. We hope that you have learned something new about this fragrant and soothing herbal drink. Remember to always consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating any new foods or beverages into your diet, especially if you have any pre-existing health conditions or are taking medication. Make sure to like and share this video. Subscribe for more health-related content. Cheers to good health and happy sipping.